This is new to me. I've never done this before.
26 miles and one simple thought. Keep moving forward and eventually good things will happen.
Going uphill, downhill, I'm just thinking all the memories we had, you know, and I still want more in the future. I want a lot of time to spend with her.
Of course, reality will tell you that David Medina riding a bicycle has absolutely nothing to do with Mary Lou Riojas recovering from a stroke. But Medina says reality also said that his grandmother would fade away 90 days ago.
She's the type of person that, you know, if you start something, you finish it, you stick with it, and you never give up. And she never gave up on us, so we're never going to give up on her.
In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus.
So Medina rides his bike to visit his grandmother at the hospital. He rides for 26 miles across several highways using a police escort. For him, it's taking action in a helpless situation. It's also a sign of his affection, and it's most definitely a signal to anyone who's saying the fight is over.
We're not taking her off life support. We're not going to send her to hospice, nothing like that. We're keeping our faith.
We're all backing her. My family's supporting her, and you know, we believe in God, and there's miracles. There's miracles.